Hello everyone. Goodwill presents one of the stocks in focus for the month of October. Hindustan Unilever Limited can be bought at a price of 2,570 rupees for a time period of 3 months for a target of 2,846 rupees. Hindustan Unilever Limited is a British-owned Indian consumer goods company headquartered in Mumbai. It is a subsidiary of the British company Unilever. Its products include foods, beverages, cleaning agents, personal care products, water purifiers and other fast-moving consumer goods. HUL is the market leader in Indian consumer products with presence in over 20 consumer categories such as soaps, tea, detergents and shampoos amongst others, with over 700 million Indian consumers using its products. Beauty and personal care segment, 42% of revenues. In this segment, the company has a widespread portfolio of more than 900 SKUs spread across one or more of categories which are made for 14 consumer clusters identified in India. The company earns 29% margins from this segment, which is the most among its divisions. Hindustan Unilever Limited is a large-cap company with market capitalization of 600,790 crore rupees. Company has a beta value of 0.5, which indicates that company is less volatile than the benchmark index. The face value of a company share is currently 1 rupees. Return on capital employed for the company is 26.6%. Let us now look at some fundamental ratios for the stock that will help us paint a clearer picture. Price to book value for the company is 11.95 times. Price to earnings ratio for the company is 58.97 times. Debt to equity ratio stands at 0.02, which indicates that company has low level of debt. Returns on equity ratio is 20.04%, which is quite good. Earnings per share, better known as EPS, is 43.07 rupees. Last year, Hindustan Unilever Limited gave 58 Indian rupees for the full year. Hindustan Unilever Limited revenue was 15,679 Indian rupees crore in the quarter, ending June 2023. The revenue grew by 6.25% year-on-year basis since last quarter. Hindustan Unilever Limited profits were 2,554 Indian rupees crore in the quarter ending June 2023. The profits grew by 7.27% year-on-year basis since last quarter. Hindustan Unilever Limited dividend was 22 Indian rupees in the quarter ending March 2023. Coming to the technical aspect of the stock, Hindustan Unilever Limited is currently trading at around 2,569 rupees. We can put a stop loss of 2,369 rupees and a target of 2,846 rupees. The stock has experienced a breakout from falling wedge pattern on the daily chart, suggesting a potential trend reversal. Moreover, on the same time frame, the short-length moving average has crossed long-term moving average, which further strengthens the idea. The weekly-term texture of the chart is still on the positive side, as we can see strengthening momentum of RSI 51.63 indicated in purple, and we can look out for an uptrend for the stock. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.